Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's plan with me. This week I am using the Fresh Start kit from my shop. I'm using the full kit and it also comes with all these freebies. So does the mini kit, but I'm using the full kit this week. I'm also using glossy stickers in case you missed it. I did add glossy back into the shop, so that's exciting. And I am planning this week in my Aura Estelle inserts. I actually already planned in my Erin Condren. I just wanted to plan and not have to come up with my plans on camera, if that makes sense, and not come up with the layout on camera. So I'm basically just transferring the plans that I have in my Erin Condren to this planner, but I'm using a different kit. I was going to use this kit in my Erin Condren, but I ended up using the Picnic collection in my Erin Condren for this week, and I'll share that with you guys in the next plan with me. I'll kind of just flip back and show you guys, but I just really wanted to plan and not have to do it on camera, and I wanted to do it yesterday. I don't know, I was just feeling playing with stickers but not having the camera on, you know. So yeah, but I wanted to share this kit because I did mention in the May kit lineup that I was using this, although I did change it, you know, and it's not in my Erin Condren, but it's still fine. So yeah, that's what we were doing, and I'm just getting the base ready. I also realized that I never put the date covers on. I don't think I put the date covers on for this week, so I'll have to go back and do that, but I don't do that in this video, so I'm sorry about that, but oh well, it's fine. So this week, we are coming off of the TPC sale, so I actually finished all the orders up today, and we'll be mailing them out tomorrow, so that is exciting, and we got that done. There was just a lot of prep when it comes to doing, you know, big sales and such, so I feel like the past couple weeks have just been really busy, you know, just in terms of sticker work and just doing all that stuff, and I kind of talked about that in my vlogs too, because I know, you know, I did a lot of stuff about opening my mug shop and my t-shirt stuff, and I'm still doing that, but my sticker shop is still my main source of income, and it's still my main shop. And you know, I knew I was going to be in this sale. I knew I wanted to release a bunch of stuff. I wanted to do a lot for it, so my other stuff just kind of took a backseat. I kind of view my other one as just like my creative outlet and my hobby, if you will, even though it is a business, but it's also just more of a hobby business, if that makes sense. So yeah, stickers have just taken top priority, and the last couple weeks have been really busy, but I have kind of been more excited about stickers recently, which I've just been trying to go with that, do the things that I'm excited about or that make me happy. And not that mugs aren't making me happy, but I also just have been really excited about stickers recently. So anyway, so I've been working on all the sticker stuff, and we just finished everything up for the sale. Got all the orders done, like I said. So this week the plans look a little bare because I know I'm not releasing any new stickers this week. I don't have my release schedule figured out for the next month and a half. I know that next weekend I'm going to be out of town for my birthday, and so I'm not going to release anything new this week or next week. So at best I would release something maybe the first weekend of June, but I'm honestly thinking it might be later in June. I really don't know. So anyway, I'm just trying to plan that out. So the back half of this week, I'm going to be sitting down and figuring out when I want to release new stuff, what I want to release. And I'm going to be doing some designing this week, but like I said, I'm not releasing anything. So that clears up my schedule a lot, because when you're releasing new products, there's a lot that goes into it. You have to design, you have to print, you have to cut, take the photos, edit the photos, do the listings. And since I have Etsy and a website, I have to do each listing double. You know, I have to do it on Etsy and then on Shopify. I don't have it where I transfer listings. I know there's apps and stuff to do that, but I personally just don't do that because I do my listings a little bit differently on each platform. So yeah, there's just a lot that goes into that. So I will be taking the back half of this week to kind of recoup from having being in a sale, and then planning out the next month or so, because I have a lot going on the next month, just like it with life. So I have to make sure that I'm able to juggle everything. And part of being able to juggle everything is to make sure it's all planned out. If you don't have a plan, it's like not guaranteed to fail, but like it's, it's good to have a plan. It's good to have like a guide to get through and to hit your goals and to do all the things, right? So yeah, the back half of this week's just going to be figuring that out and what that looks like for the next like month and a half or so. So anyway, but yeah, other than that, I don't have a lot planned this week. There's a few things going on this weekend. My best friend is actually opening her own clothing store. She has an online website, but she's actually opening a store, and the grand opening is on Friday. So I'm really excited for her, and I'm going to be going to the grand opening to support her, obviously. And then Saturday, our niece has her last baseball game. It was actually supposed to be last week, but it got rained out, so they rescheduled it for this Saturday. And then, of course, Sunday is church and grocery shopping and all the things. And I feel like our weekends are honestly busier than our weekdays, which is, it makes no sense because we're not working. So it's just like go, 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 go. But it's all going to be okay, because then the next week we get to go on like a little mini vacation and regroup a little bit, which will be nice. So yeah, that is what is going on this week. It's just been like so busy and go, go, go. And I'm definitely looking forward to a little downtime. And yeah, but let me know, what are your plans for Memorial Day? I'd love to hear them. I'm not going to share mine until the plan with me goes up, but the plan with me is actually going to go up after Memorial Day, because I don't want to spoil any surprises. So yeah, so I'm not going to share my plans, but let me know in the comments below what your plans are for Memorial Day, if you're doing anything fun. But that is it for this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.